Yo YouTube, how's it going guys? In this video you're gonna learn how I saved money on my order using the promo code that I found for new and existing members. As you guys can see by my checkout, I am about to buy these new items and I found a coupon code, which allows me to save money on all items. So guys, if you are after this promo code, follow all steps in this video, because I'm going to be showing you guys all the most exclusive currently working promo codes that are on the internet. Now I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. I wanted to make sure it worked on any item, so before I recorded the video I added a bunch of their items to the checkout and the discount worked for each item and apply to them all. In order to receive a discount, go to the page that was shown, enter your email and generate a code. This is a free way to get the same code as me. Please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.